Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter and cheese at home easy guide. Begin by letting heavy cream warm slightly to room temperature, then pour into a mixer or jar and churn steadily until the solids clump and buttermilk separates. When you see clear liquid, stop and strain immediately to collect butter. Rinse the butter under cold water while pressing out liquid, then add salt if desired and shape for storage. For a simple fresh cheese, start with whole milk warmed to just below boiling, then add lemon juice or vinegar a little at a time until curds form. Scoop curds into a cheesecloth-lined strainer and allow whey to drain until the curds hold together. Twist and press the cloth under weight to create a compact block, then chill the cheese in cold water to firm up and keep it tender for cooking and slicing. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy food projects. Quick recommendation. On another note, socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty and treat your feet as well as you treat your kitchen tools. Check the description for the link and other deals that support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. If you want to try a soft aged cheese, start with a mesophilic culture and follow safe, clean procedures to inoculate warmed milk. After cutting and draining curds, press gently and salt the surface before introducing preferred molds or cultures. Age the cheese in a cool, humid environment and turn it every day or two to promote even rind and flavor. Taste as it matures and keep notes to refine your process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.